Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're opening Safari now. Launch it from the Dock or Applications folder and get straight to browsing. Sign in with your Apple ID so bookmarks and tabs follow you across devices. Once done, make sure iCloud Safari syncing is enabled in System Settings. This keeps history and passwords consistent. You'll also want to enable favorites in the Start page and set your preferred search engine. These initial steps ensure your data moves with you, and that the interface reflects how you work every day. Now focus on navigating efficiently. Use the Smart Search field for both queries and addresses, and press Command-L to focus it instantly. Create and organize tab groups for projects. Drag tabs between windows or use show all tabs to locate pages faster. Learn reader mode for clutter-free reading and enable prevent cross-site tracking to reduce targeted ads. If you need temporary isolation, open a private window so pages and searches aren't saved. These steps balance productivity with privacy. Finish by using Safari's advanced tools. Enable the Develop menu to access Web Inspector for page debugging and performance checks. If pages load slowly or act oddly, disable extensions first and clear cache and cookies. That often resolves resource conflicts. Make sure Safari and Mac OS are up to date, then restart the app. If problems persist, reset Safari settings or create a new user profile to isolate the issue. One key troubleshooting tip: disabling extensions one by one reveals the culprit without losing your data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.